Idea, and this is my presentation for my final project, how to improve our uh, graphics in VR games. So for this purpose, I built this environment using usual 3D modeling tools like Maya, um, and I built up, let's say, this props of an old cabinet, and I placed them around the building, some tires scattered around, and I use some master materials and the modeling tool in a way to uh, vertex paint or on top of each other. So from three materials I created one. So I vertex painted over this material, which simulates some puddles with some brick material and dirt. So it creates this nice abandoned looking environment. And for the ceiling environment, the material I used a normal old uh, ceiling material, and I painted over with some mold and dust on top of it. Uh, yeah, and I used some decals just to create this abandoned building view. I used some brick asset from Megascan just to and physical plugin just to scatter around some to create some debris, and I modeled some cardboard, old cardboard, just to scatter them around like again just to simulate a better view of this abandoned building. Just modeled some and textured some cardboard box just scattered around in that room all over the place. Used some reflections with the puddles just to create this nice look. And from this point, everything in there it's photo scanned. I photoscanned the entire using Photogrammetry. I photoscanned this a couple of rooms and put them together just to create this environment, and also some assets like this propane cylinder, a chair, and also this is a hero asset as well for the car tire, which is the 360 scanned using a reality capture and a normal 3D model and texture tile, and I put them next to each other just to make the difference. Uh, the benefit of that is looking way better, in my opinion, but we can't change we can change that, but the textures and the material, but the way it is scanned and textured, this is the way it is now. I didn't alter the change anything that side. And this again, it's another photogrammetry scanned environment, and I mean different environments and put together just to create their own. I probably scanned some props again, uh, old hot tub and toolbox, old TV, an old heater, and here um, it's it's like our hero asset. It's a gun I modeled again in um, Maya and textured in Substance Painter, and this was my main goal, just to model one uh, item in Maya, uh, photo scanned in using photogrammetry and uh, photo scanning using gaussian splatting. Unfortunately, with photogrammetry, I had some issues scanning this shiny surface because of the reflections from the gun. And the only way to scan that properly, those supposed to, let's say, covered in opaque substance like talc or a special spray. I couldn't get that in time, so I have just two assets. One is modeled by me, and one is made with the Gaussian splatting, which is more like a projection. It's not a physical asset, so we can't interact with it. Also, I scanned this stash of weapons just to simulate like a police investigation scene. All of the weapons are scanned using Gaussian splatting and place scene. Uh, and I think they're really looking nice. And this is already our basement environment, which I again, this is a fully Gaussian splatting environment, which I scanned and used in our scene and our engine. I think it's looking great. There are some minor noise in there that like the texture and how it looks. It's really good. And so we move. I tried to scan uh, first both of them together, but I couldn't for some reason. The software, training software always would pick one room as a main, and I would just focus on that room. I couldn't scan them both together, so I scanned them separately, and after I combined them in our project. Uh, and I think, yeah, in my opinion, this new technology of presence starting is looking really good and can be used in VR. Uh, the only downside can only be used for now is create environments and not interactable items like let's say this yeah, for the purpose of creating environments, really nice looking environments. Yeah, it's really good. I think I achieved really good results here.